Morning guys, just replacing the front hub assembly on my Landy today, so I'm going to do both sides because I don't like doing things one at a time. I like to do things in a pair and then I know that they're both done. So I'm using the Timken replacement, good quality parts instead of cheap Chinese shit. I had a Chinese wheel bearing in the front of this and I've gotten 4 months out of it, so never again. Just go straight for the good stuff. Otherwise, poor man pays twice, they say. So the way to check your wheel bearing is just to wobble it back and forth. I've got play in mind, you can hear it. So yeah, we'll be doing that today. And yeah, basically the way to find out if your wheel bearing's playing up is you just jack the car up off the ground and just shake the wheel back and forth, and you're looking for movement in here. Obviously make sure your wheel nuts are tight and make sure that the play isn't coming from somewhere else in the vehicle, like your control arms or anything like that. So isolate the movement down to the bearing, and then also, it's what you should be doing anyway on a service, but checking your steering knuckles too. So you just want to be moving back and forth and making sure there's no play in your steering. Mine are nice and tight, so yeah, just some bearings today for me. They're actually really easy to do on this, so I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright, so first things first, you got to pull your CV nut off, which is 1.25 inches. It is good practice to just pop your cap out of your rim and just leave the car on the floor to crack that nut off, but I forgot, so all I'm going to do now is you got your I forgot what they call it, the star hex Allen key to pull the rotor locking plate off, or locking nut, and you've just got to pull your caliper off. So you pull your caliper off, support it up there with a bungee cord so you don't damage the brake line. Slide the rotor off, and then it's literally just 4 bolts at the back here, and the whole thing just comes off. It's a real easy job. That's it guys, it's all on. Generally the hub assembly comes with a new nut as well, so once you put the new nut on, all you got to do is just fold it over this little keyway here so that it doesn't come undone, and that's job done. You would have seen me put anti-seize on the backing plates of the brakes, that's just to stop squealing. Mine were a little bit noisy before. And another important thing to note as well is that once you're done, make sure you pump your brakes. That just pushes your pistons on your caliper back out again, so when you want to stop, you'll stop. Otherwise, you'll have to pump the brakes up driving down the road, which isn't ideal. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that's helped someone. Catch ya.